When was the last time you were part of any PR activity? As quoted by Nelson Mandela, one should enjoy a milestone as he prepares for the way ahead. My home club, Tieto Every Toastmasters Club, was chartered in October 2015, and last month we celebrated our 275th chapter meeting. Just to give you a perspective, 275th means a long journey of 275 weeks, and which would translate to roughly 5.5 years. So the legacy is very long. Good evening, fellow Toastmasters and dear guest. Celebrating milestone is not a piece of cake. You have to plan a lot and you have to involve a lot of people to make sure things are executed properly. As we were planning for our milestone meeting, we followed couple of strategies to make sure that we engage quite a lot of audience. Now, wondering why I'm saying engage quite a lot of audience? Because of COVID, as we know, the in-person Toastmaster meeting is not happening these days. So we have to leverage and make sure that lot of guests are pulled in using various strategies. What strategies we followed are as follows. Strategy 1. We tried to reach to all our previous members and all the active members. We collected data like what were their experience in Toastmasters, how Toastmasters helped them to improve their communication and leadership skills, what networking opportunities did they get, and what were their experience when they were representing the club or the district or the area in various contests. Using these data, we were able to prepare various posters, GIF images, and also video. Using our various communication channel within the organization, we shared this data with our audiences. Trust me, this worked. We saw a lot of guests pulled in into our meeting. The second strategy which we followed is we asked every member to bring at least one colleague, one friend of theirs from the company to join this meeting. See, until and unless a guest joins in, he cannot experience this program. And once they experience the program, they take the decision to whether join the club or not. So again, it was a cherry on cake that our milestone celebrations and this strategy coincided, and we again saw a lot of inflow of guests. Strategy number 3. As it was a special occasion, who doesn't like gifts? What our club planned is these memorable items. Gift like these, a mobile stand and a calendar. And using these gifts, we passed on to all our active members. Trust me, it's again a PR activity when your members post pictures on your official communication channel saying how happy they are when they are getting these gifts. Again, a brownie point for us. The fourth strategy which we used is we conducted a special table topic session only for our senior management. So we called in lot of managers from our units and gave them topics revolving around milestone. It was taken very well by the senior leaders, and few of them have shown interest to join themselves and their team into Toastmasters. So again, it was a good action item for us. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. For us, in Tieto Toastmasters Club, it was quite a long journey. And using these strategies, we tried to explore as much as possible, spread the word, give the awareness of the Toastmasters program within the organization, and make sure that we get a lot of people into the meeting. So friends, next time when you are having your milestone meeting, what PR strategy will you follow? Over to the TMOD.